Hello everyone, welcome to Sabi Queen Kitchen. Today I'm going to be preparing aubergine sauce with yam. Okay, I'm going to be preparing it with fish. I have my mackerel fish, I have my red fish. That's what I'm going to be using to prepare my aubergine sauce. So I'm going, as I said before, I use olive oil, which I'm going to be using today to prepare my aubergine sauce with yam. Okay. That's in my pan already. This is my aubergine. I've already cut it. So right now I'm going to be boiling it. I'm just going to parboil it. Okay. Wow, that's my aubergine. It's ready. I already parboiled it. I'm going to be preparing it right now. That's my yam. Now I'm going to be preparing my aubergine sauce. I'm using olive oil. Okay, I'm using olive oil. That's my yam. Okay, I'm just waiting for the oil to be hot. I have my oil now. I'm going to be turning my onions so they cut it off. So I'm going to leave some for now. Okay. Now I'm going to be turning my tomatoes into the cooking pot. That's my tomatoes. Right away, I'm going to be adding my cooking Maggi. I'm not using salt. As you all know, salt is not very good. I'm not using salt. That's my crayfish. That's my crayfish. Okay. I'm going to leave it to let it cook for a little minutes. That's the tomatoes. I'm going to be adding my mackerel fish. It's a fresh fish. And also I decided to add my goat ishaki. Okay, have yeah. I still need to let it cook, mostly the fresh fish. Okay, still need to leave it on before I put in my, that's my aubergine. I'm preparing an aubergine sauce. Yeah, that's the sauce now. I'm going to be adding my aubergine. That's the aubergine. Okay, I'm going to be adding it into the pan. Wow. Going to be adding it right now. Can you see that? Wow, aubergine sauce is ready. It's ready, it's ready, it's ready. Okay guys, it's ready. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone from Sabi Queen Kitchen. Thank you. That's it. Aubergine sauce is ready with my yam and then plantain. Okay, that's my aubergine. That's the outcome of it. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. God bless you all from Sabi Queen Kitchen. Bye for now. Bye bye.